I am Samo Polanet, meat production manager at Panvita, a meat processing company in Radgona that sells fresh meat and sausage products. Our production facility produces various types of products, so we are looking for a machine that is universally applicable and can meet these requirements. We are constantly expanding our range of sliced, sausage, and canned products, and Veba offers the perfect solution for these needs. My name is Filip Orsic, and I am the CEO of Veba Croatia. We believe that the Veba Group can offer the ideal solutions for Southeast Europe. Our latest investment in the new line has met all our wishes. We wanted great flexibility in the use of the machine. The entire line operates in 2 shifts and without any delay. This enabled us to increase production volume and reduce personnel needs. So now we can control the entire line with just one person. We did it in the Veba way. We listened to the customer first and tried to make all his wishes come true. One of the requirements was to make the line as flexible as possible, which means they have 15 different applications. They wanted to buy from us because they trust Veba. They trust our service and our speed of spare parts delivery. And I think this was a real success story.
Sa najbržom isporukom dijelova i to je ono što nas čini drugačijim od ostalih.